What's up, you guys? Your boy Amazing Prosper. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Yeah, so in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to apply Fibonacci and trend line tools in your trading chart. Yeah, whenever we are trading, we always try to, especially if you're a technical trader, we always try to find out where is that perfect entry or where is that perfect exit that you can get in or get out in the market. But right now, so many of us find it difficult to use trend lines or Fibonacci to exit or to get in the market. For me, what I use trend line or Fibonacci to do is to get in my perfect entry. So I'll be using this video to share with you guys how I used Fibonacci and trend line and how it's working crazy for me. So let's go directly to the charts. Let's go. Yeah, so guys, welcome. So how I use Fibonacci tools and trend line to how two of them work together. Yeah, so if you know how to apply trend line very well, you don't need Fibonacci tool. But if you don't know how to apply trend line, you can use Fibonacci. And for me, I prefer trend line more than the Fibonacci because I don't use trend line. Yeah, I don't use much of Fibonacci. I use trend line. But in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how they work perfectly. So let's go over to GU. So this is GBP. Yeah, so let me show you guys on a clean chart how it works on a clean chart. Oh, sorry, I need to clear up these things. Session break. Yeah, you can see all over here. You can see I have trend line all over here, all over here. I have a counter trend line. I have a main one. Yeah, so I like using them. Forget about this one. These lines, these ones are psychology level. If you know me well, you know that I use psychology level to trade. So this is a clear place. Let me show you guys how it works on a clear place here, on a clear distance. So a trend line works perfectly when the market is trending. The market is not trending. The trend line doesn't work perfectly. So the trend line works perfect when the market is trending on a trending market. That's why it's called like the name trend line. Yeah, so it works when the market is trending. So this is a one touch. You can call it from this starting point. You can pick your trend line from here. This starting point, but it will show some a low before you stretch it to this place. So this is a perfect trend line here. So for us, what we do, especially the traders, when the market have not reached somewhere here, when the market is here, from this low and low, then we wait for opportunity, a buy opportunity here. But then we'll be waiting for a buy opportunity here. Once the market gets to here and show us some of us that trade some certain strategy, which is called chart pattern, candlestick formation, technical traders. Once we see that opportunity on this trend line, then we get in. Yeah, that's how we trade a trend line strategy. So what about on a bearish move? So in a bearish move is also the same thing. It will be coming from down here, 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 then push down. So remember the trend line, that is the name trend line. It works when the market is trending. Yeah, so this is also the same thing. Yeah, so this one you count this one, two, then you stretch it to the future. Once the market reach that place, this number four, once the market reach here, then you enter. Remember, this is a massive move, this is a retracement. So trend line work best when the market is trending and you are waiting for a bounce or a break and retest of a trend line. So trend line has two strategies. We have a bounce on the trend line and a break and retest of a trend line. So this see the example of a break and retest of a trend line. Yeah, see example of trend line, break and retest of a trend line. Remember that this line, okay, hold on. Remember that this line, like this line now, if you stretch it, okay, sorry, I locked on a drawing mode. That's where I want to on. So remember this side. So okay. So from here, once the market come back here and break this place, this is called immediate break. Once the market break this place, this way, this is called immediate break. So for we that use trend line, what we wait for is a break of this place. Sorry, a test of this place. Then we look for a continuation. Remember, this was this is on. Oh, save me. So remember, sorry guys.
Then so remember this was a bearish move, then the market has turned to a bullish move. So a greater radius of this line is this here. So what about Fibonacci? Fibonacci that I said how to apply Fibonacci with these trend line tools. Once you know how to use these trend line tools, you don't really need Fibonacci. But the reason why people use Fibonacci is to find also what the trend line can also do, which is the retracement of this move here, or this move, the retracement. So this is a Fibonacci. So Fibonacci tools is very simple. We pick it from this lower high. Remember, when the market is trending, we have what we call lower low, lower high. Sorry, uh, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then it create another higher low, then to create another higher high. Then we know that the market is trending. What about in a bearish move? We have what we call lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So that is it. Sorry. So lower low, yes. So lower low, sorry, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So that's how you know that this market is trending. So look at how it is. This is a lower high, H H H H, a lower high. This is a lower high here. Then let's clone it. Clone. So let's do it this way. Lower high. Yeah. So here. This is here. So let's clone this one again. Let's go over here so that we won't waste much of this time. So this place is turned to, this place is lower high here, and this is a lower low. So let's clone it again. This is a L. Yeah, so a lower low. So once the market is trading series of these things, you know that the market is trending down or upward. Once it's trading higher low and it comes up and break that higher high that is created, then you know that the market is trending down, it's trending upward. Then it's come back to create a lower low that is not lower than this, then you know that the market is trending upward. So let me show you guys how Fibonacci works. So Fibonacci works this way: from here, from this lower low, you stretch it to the to up to the next lower, to the next higher high. So for you to get this lower, for you to know where the market is going to retrace. So this is also the reason why people use Fibonacci too. Look at where the market bounced. The market bounced on the 50% of this move. Yeah, that means 50.00%. That's where the market always work on GU or GJ. That's on GU on GJ. It worked best on 50% and 61.8 also. But if the market retrace back to 61.8, that is a killing. That is a very massive one. It's going to move sometimes like almost 70%. Yeah, but also it also move on 50% of the move. So you can see from here to here. The reason about using Fibonacci is to find out where this retracement is going to end. So if you don't know how to use trend line, you can also apply Fibonacci level. So what about on this place? From we take it from here, from the left to the right. So here, so we are on 50% here. So let's put it this way, on 50%. But sometimes it moves like extend to 61.8. Once it does that, the manipulation and everything, then you know that this 1.8 is where the big bands, like once you see these ones, most time it moves. So let me show you guys how it works on the current chart. So very simple, very simple, very simple. Look at what I just showed you guys. You can see that this market is falling here. One, two, three. Where do you see this one? What are you seeing here? What are you seeing here? Yeah, you see this first one, the second one, the third one. This is a trend line. That's like a picture of what I just showed you guys right there. So you can see from here, from this move to this place, to this lowest low that the market will get to. Where did you see that the market was having some issue to break down? That was on 50%. So you can see the market did not break the 50%. Closed, it closed with weak rejection, and then it started falling from here. That's 50% here of the move. So what about when the market was trending up? One, two, three. So let's check again. Let's check again from here, from this low. Let's find out where this bounce happened. Let's find out where this bounce happened. From this low, let's take this one low. Where the bounce happened on 50% pure. You can see that what I'm saying was true. The market moves on 50%, sometimes 61.8%. So let's check this one. Let's see where this one moves. Let's see where this will move. So from this low that you get from here, then you switch to the future. Then you take it to the to the upside if it's on a bullish move. Where does it happen? 61.8. That was where the retracement. Let's clean this chart. Help me clean this chart. Yeah. So where did the move happen? 61.8. That was where you did the buy. That was very massive. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was almost 200 pips move from here. That is almost 200 move. Let's check with this guy. From here to here. That was about, yes, 108 something pips move. That was massive. That's massive. That's massive move. So that's how you can use Fibonacci and trend line tools. They work together like brothers. Yeah. So if you don't know how to use Fibonacci, you can apply trend line. You can just literally do both of them together. So that will be all in this video.
So guys, so this is how I use Fibonacci and trend lines to trade in my chart. Very simple and easy. Fibonacci tools, as I shared, is a very wonderful tools that if you know how to apply it in your trading career, you are going to be making some crazy money. But remember, this is not financial advice. This doesn't mean that it's working, that it works all the time. Sometimes the market does its things. That's why it's called market. Yeah, that's why it's called forex market. And people who understand it so well trade every strategy with probability. Nothing is certain. So apply proper risk management whenever you are trading. So thank you so much. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Turn that bell notification for your boy and hit that like button. See you in the next video. Peace out.